Okay, everybody, today's lesson's pretty easy. It's just a reminder of how to measure angles using a protractor. So as you see, we have two sets of numbers here. Um, and I always look to see where my flat side is for the angle. So I see this line right here, if you can follow my cursor, is right on that 0 mark. So I see that that angle is pretty small. So I know it's going to be less than 90 degrees because 90 degrees is straight up here. There's a 90-degree angle. So it's considered acute, which means less than 90. So if I have options of reading 160 here or reading 20, I know it's less than 90 degrees, so it's the 20 number. So it's not that you always pick the top number or always pick the bottom number on a protractor. You have to see if it's an angle that's less than 90 degrees or more than 90 degrees. And if this one's less, then I would have to pick 20. So in there, I would type in a 20. And I have 20 degrees. All right. Let's skip ahead to the next one. Now I see that my angle is facing the other way. That's okay. There's my baseline at 0. I see it's an acute angle because it's small. It's not up to this 90 degrees right here. So I'm going to read the smaller number. So this time the smaller number is the one on top. So I see that it goes up to 15. So my angle is going to be 15 degrees here. And they have the degrees on the outside, so I don't have to put that in. All right, let's skip a level. And now I can clearly see that this is one huge angle. It's obtuse. This is the side right here that's flat, right at the 0 mark. So I'm going to come over here and read this side then. And obviously it's way past the 90 degrees that's right in the middle. So I'm going to read the bigger number. So 170, in between 170 and 180, I would say about 175, and I would type that in. So 175, and they've got the degrees in there. All right, next level, this is an estimate. So you would have to estimate what that is. So here's how I estimate. I would say, okay, well, if I went straight up from that vertex, that would be 90 degrees. So I know it's over 90. And it looks like, well, 45 extra degrees on there. So I might say 135. Let's see how close I am. 135. All right, so this one right here, if I'm looking, I know it's over my 90 degrees because that would be going straight up, but it's not like way over 90 degrees. So I would add on maybe another 15 degrees to that or 20 degrees to that. So maybe like 110, 115, 120, somewhere in there. I'm going to say like 115. And remember, it's a guess. You just want to be close enough to it. 115. Let's see if we got it. All right. Now this one, I see that it's an acute angle because going straight up would give me 90 degrees, but it looks like it's a little more than half of 90 degrees. Half of 90 is 45. So I might say like that's a 60-degree angle because it's past the 45-degree mark. Let's see if it's 60 degrees. All right. So now let's skip ahead. We're almost to the challenge level. So same thing on this one, 90 degrees would come straight up. So it's less than 90. It looks like it might be around half of a 90-degree angle. So I might say, oh, it's about 45. So let's see, 45 degree. Oops, I just typed in 50. All right, let's skip ahead to the challenge zone. Let's see if anything's different here. Same thing. You just got to get closer. It's in 10 degrees. So if I was looking at this, if I turn my paper so this is horizontal, my straight line would be about right here It's very close to that line, but that line's a little further than 90 degrees. I might say like 110. Let's try it and see if I get it right. Terrific. And there we go. End of video.